Good morning. Just give me a moment.
Okay, I have one issue. It's not on the docket.
Yes, just give me a moment.
Okay.
My computer is working slow today, Brenna, but that's okay because it's Friday.
Judge, this is Joel Pettis. Did you
Just
just
one
announce?
moment.
Did you
Just
just
one
announce?
moment.
Oh,
Just one moment, please.
sorry.
All right, everyone. Happy Friday. Welcome to the 187 District Court. You are in the 187 District Court. We are beginning jury trials today. Everyone who's on the docket today is set for a jury trial. So if you are not planning on entering an open plea to the court today because the court is not accepting any plea bargain agreements, then you need to be in the 187 District Court. We do have a jury scheduled today and we will be going to jury trial. Yes. Ms. Andrews, your client, Mr. Jahagan Alexander, is being brought over dressed from the Bexar County Jail. So he's on jury docket. Yes, Jesse Rivera.
Good morning, Judge. My guy has been, we were set on Wednesday and then we tried yesterday, and I just need to speak to a prosecutor today. We're not set for jury trial that I know of.
What is your client's name?
Adrian De Leon, Your Honor.
Oh, yes, he's here. Just give us a moment.
Yes, ma'am.
Judge,
Yes.
I'm sorry. On Mr. Alexander, I am not ready for trial.
Yes, a motion for continuance needs to be filed, but you need to be in court. Your client is being brought over from the Bexar County Jail dressed.
I understand, Judge. I'm not sure why that was happening, but
because it's a high setting case.
I'm sorry, Judge, I didn't hear you.
It's a high setting case and his plea deadline has expired. He was set for jury trial back on April 30th. And he was set for June 3rd.
Yes, he was, Judge. And I'm not disputing any of that. I'm just not ready. I have multiple medical procedures coming up next week, and I'm not going to be able to do a jury trial.
All right, just give me a moment. I'm aware of your medical issues. Just a second. All right, so I'm going to open up breakout rooms. No one's to go into the breakout room unless I specifically call your name. Anthony Esmos, you need to get out of that bed that appears to be a bed to the court. This is the 187 District Court. If you can't do it, if you're physically in court, you can't do it anywhere else.
And Judge, before you assign me to a breakout room, I have one issue, and that's Aaron Gordon. I called the court. He was set for docket today, and it's in the computer, but the clerks tell me he is not on the docket, and I never received any notice or anything for him. And Mr. Gordon is present on the screen.
Yes, would you still like to confer with a member of the state? Because the court has the file.
If they're available, yes, Your Honor, I would.
All right, just one
And then can we let Mr. Gordon go since you're going to be doing jury trials today?
confer with the state and let me know what the results are of your conference.
Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome. I'll send you to breakout room number 2. All right, Pat Hancock.
Good morning, Judge. Judge, my client, Mr. Pena, has been accepted into the pretrial diversion program,
Okay, just one moment.
and he signed the motion for continuance on that.
Is it Jeremiah Pena?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we're going to recall your case for July. Let me look at my calendar. We'll recall your case for July 8th to see where we are on the pretrial diversion.
Judge, I think he's been, maybe I'm just not understanding the lingo. I think he's been accepted.
Oh, no, it's to see whether or not if he's completed it. So by
Okay.
next month, he should have completed everything. And if he's completed everything and it's dismissed, then of course you won't be on docket. But I like to keep track of it because sometimes it disappears into the universe.
Very well. May I be excused? And I think Mr. Pena is on Zoom too. May he be excused?
Yes, we'll see you back on July 8th. Things are
Thank
not
you.
completed. You're welcome.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Your Honor, may I approach briefly?
Just give me a moment. Yes.
I am here on Jeremy Tapia. I have a scheduled Zoom MTR with the 175th at 9. May I be excused briefly to zoom in to see what's happening with that case, Judge?
Yes, but you need to be back here by 9:30.
I will do so, Judge. Let them know that I'm here and I'll go from
Yes.
there, Judge.
All right,
Thank
thank you. All right, John Fox.
Morning, Your Honor. If I don't see Tom there, but I kind of need to confer with Tom on this.
All right,
There's
just give me one moment. All right, James Millian.
Good morning, Judge. This case, I've never actually been extended an offer by the state. Mr. Nisbet had requested resets. Mr. Castañon has a co-defendant in the case. I thought we were working it out, Judge. We've never been extended an offer. The last reset was requested by Mr. Nisbet.
Yeah, and
All
so
right,
Judge, if I recall, Tom was looking to have a large packet of information that Mr. Mullen had sent to him translated, and so that's what we were reset for, I thought.
Just give us a moment. We're going to find out. Joel Perez.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
I'm here on Vanessa Garza, Your Honor. It's a white collar case.
Just one moment. Just give us one moment, okay?
Sure, Your Honor.
And Your Honor, I have a co-defendant in that case, Robert
And what is-
Garcia.
All right, can you give me your cause number, please?
2021 CR 2125A.
Let me see. And could a prosecutor go to breakout room number 2 to speak with Jocelyn Andrews, please? From Criminal Trial Division. Breakout room number 2, please.
Yes, Judge, I'll talk to Miss Jocelyn.
Thank you. And then Tom Nesbitt. There are attorneys here on Manjares, Orlando Castagnon, and James Million.
What room, Judge?
I'm sending them to breakout room number 3.
And
Thank
I'm
you.
on Asmus also, Judge.
Okay, and John Fox, I will send you to breakout room number 4.
Okay.
Everyone just one moment. All right, Daniel De La Garza.
Morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
I have a co-defendant with Joel Pettis, the cause number I just gave you.
All right, just one moment. We're going to get you 2 into a breakout room.
Thank you, Your Honor.
2 other
And,
lawyers in that.
Yes. And you say it's special crimes?
Yes, Your Honor. Don McGraw's the prosecutor.
All right, Joe Ray, is there any way you can see if Don McGraw can come in?
I can check, Judge.
Thank you. And all right, and Roland Garcia, what is happening with Mr. Juan de Hoyos?
For some reason, I haven't been able to connect with the prosecutor, and I need an offer on the case or cases.
All right, because he's set for trial today.
Like I said, I should share with the court. I haven't had an opportunity to.
Yes, he's in custody, but this is a 4th setting. So anything that is not pled today, and when I say pled, I mean pled by an open plea to the court, it's going to jury trial. I'm going to send you, Roland, to breakout room number 5, and a prosecutor will meet you there.
Okay, Judge, I never knew until right now of your policy.
Oh, Roland, I make this announcement on every time people Zoom in. I give everyone a plea deadline date, and I tell everyone that this is the last day for a plea. After that, the court will only accept pleas that are open to the court. So everything that is not pled today open to the court will be headed for jury trial. Jury trials are up and running, and that is happening. Rodolfo Zepeda.
Your Honor, I called the court yesterday because I don't have any information on this Michael Hernandez. I was trying to see if they give me a SID number or a cost number so I could try to get a hold of him. They told me that there was another attorney that was appointed or that was representing Michael Hernandez.
What is the cause number?
I don't have one. I don't know what it is.
Zimmerman is listed, Judge, on the docket.
Oh, it's Zimmerman. Ron Zimmerman is the attorney.
Okay, so may I be excused then?
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bowood, how? You're calling it, you're in the mountains.
Yes, Judge, with my people. Do you see my penguins there?
Yes, I do.
I'm here on Miss Laura, Danielle Laura. I was talking with Hunter Morris, and I was hoping to get an offer from him today. I think we held off to get some medical before he made an offer.
Okay. Hunter, Bowood said he had previously been conferring with you. I'm going to send him to breakout room number 6.
Okay, and Judge, Ms. Jocelyn, we have an update on a case. If you get a moment to step into her breakout room.
Yes. Everyone, just give me a moment. I will go to breakout room.
Hey, Joe Ray, who was it that Don has today?
Oh, yeah, I called him. I couldn't get a hold of him. Sending him an email.
I just
He's with
texted her.
Daniel de la Garza.
Yeah,
I don't
it's,
know
it's
his-
Robert Garcia and
Robert.
Vanessa Gar.
It's just a compliance hearing. Can y'all come back on Monday?
We can come back anytime, Norma.
Yeah, come back on Monday.
Okay, that works.
Thank you. Well, we'll
you.
just let the judge know.
Okay.
Norma, is that the same for me, Norma?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes, Joel.
Okay,
All right, we'll see you all Monday.
thank you.
Thank you, Norma.
You're welcome.
Norma,
So Robert, you can sign off and we'll talk in a few minutes.
Yes, sir.
Norma, it's Chester Rivera. Is there any way you can get me a family violence prosecutor?
I can't move you. I'm sorry. I
Oh,
don't.
okay.
I have access to that. Since something's wrong with my computer, like my video is not showing or anything.
Oh, yeah, I can't
Judge is
see
the
it.
only one that can move you to a breakout room,
Okay.
or I don't know if the other attorneys can move you.
No, she didn't make us co-host.
She didn't. Okay, sorry.
All right.
All right, we are back. Orlando Castagnon and James Millian, what is happening with your client?
I think Mr. Nisbet.
Yeah, Judge, on that one, there was an evidence exchange in a prior setting. This is the first time we conferred on it. I was able to extend both lawyers an offer. If we don't have a deal, we are extremely close. They just need to bring their clients in and go over it in person. And so if we could have a reset, now that I have given them an offer based on all of their proffered information, I think that we will have a resolution.
All right, is 2 weeks enough time?
That'd be enough.
All right, Norma, on Manharis, can you recall them in 2 weeks?
Yes, ma'am.
And then if it doesn't work out after that, then you're going to be scheduled for the next available jury trial.
On the
Norma, when?
21st? On the 21st, Judge?
All right, we'll see you back on June 21st.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, thank you. You're excused.
Thanks.
Thank you, Judge. May I be excused?
Yes, thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
All right, you too.
My
Usually I'm used to seeing him at work. Isn't he always at work, Brenna, in like a uniform? That's what I'm used to seeing.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Oh, and Tom, John Fox said he was waiting to speak with you on Asmus,
Okay, what room is that, Your Honor?
number 4.
Okay.
Who is waiting on Don? Was that, Let me see. I believe that was Daniel Della Garza.
Judge, I told him to come back on Monday. It's a compliance hearing. And it wasn't on the docket. So they can come back on Monday.
Okay, Don, thanks for zooming in. All right, Dan Rodriguez, are you ready for trial?
Yes, Your Honor. I'm conferring with David Martin on it.
I don't see how he's not in a tie.
I've got one. I'm putting it on right now and a jacket. I just got finished out at the county, so I'm ready for bear.
Okay, awesome.
And Judge, I'll be sending you something in email on that one real quick.
All right, thank you.
Dan, can you text me your email address?
Yeah. All right, it's sent to you.
All right, everyone, just give me a moment. Sorry, Jesse Rivera, on your client.
Hi, Judge.
Hi.
Always nice to see you.
Oh, thank you. So Adrian
That's true.
DeLeon. Yes, Adrian DeLeon, what is he charged with?
It's a assault bodily injury. There was a second case that's going to be, they're not going to go with, it's going to be dismissed. So we're going to pursue the misdemeanor assault bodily injury case, Your Honor. And I just finished talking to the prosecutor. They had made an offer. I discussed it with my client. We accepted it. And we were going to plead on Wednesday, this past Wednesday, when we had our setting, except I had to be in federal in Laredo all day long on Wednesday. And then yesterday turned out to be a day from hell with like 6 cases. And then today is another one of those crazy days. I've got to be in the 437th on a trial setting and a 175th on another setting.
Oh,
and
no. Here's the thing. I understand, because I'm looking at the, I'm actually looking at the docket sheet, and I show that the plea agreement was accepted. So when are we doing this plea?
Whenever you're ready, Judge.
Let's do it today.
Yes.
All right, thank you.
Yes, ma'am. So I will ask the prosecutor to just, I guess, send me whatever I need to sign and stuff like that, and then get it to my client, have him sign, and then we'll get it done.
All right, thank you. If you will put the agreement in the chat box to Ms. Ferguson, please. She's listed as the court coordinator.
And Jesse, can you send me the emails too, please, yours and your clients?
Yes, sir. Of course, I'll do that right now. And I'll do that in the chat box.
Yes.
That'd be great.
Okay. All right, I'll do that right now. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. Thank you. Hopefully your day will be Smoother.
Yes, ma'am, I hope so.
Yeah. All right, is there Jason Keys in the courtroom?
He is, Your Honor.
Jason, could you have Jason Keys come forward, please?
Right here? You're in the top corner.
All right.
See yourself?
Yes.
Okay.
Mr. Keys,
Yes, ma'am.
you are excused for the day. Your case has been resolved. Mr. Rodriguez, do you need to speak with your client?
I'll call him.
All right, Mr. Keys, courtroom, Mr. Keys is excused.
Thank you, ma'am.
All right, thank you. Have a good rest of your day.
May I be excused as well, Your Honor?
Yes.
Thank you. Y'all have a good day.
All right, you too. Thank you. To the courtroom, I just sent you a chat.
Thank you, Judge.
Hi, Bo Wood, you're back. And you are in a different city and you left your friends behind.
I left my friends. I came back to San Antonio. I thought I better be close if you need me. I talked with Mr. Morris and he has just received some CPS records. He wants, before he can make me an offer, he wants to see the extent of the injuries and the extent of CPS involvement. Mother informs me they ended their case in February. I think that's the child that's behind her right now that's trying to decide whether we're going to look at her or not. But she was in a car with a child in it, and she's got an intox assault and also injury to child case pending. And so we're just trying to gather the medical to be sure of the extent and to be certain that this CPS case is closed. So Hunter said he's just received that, and that's he's trying to review it and then get it to me.
No. That's what you were on the docket for today, for the update on the medical records.
Okay. Hey, Judge, we're still waiting on medical. I just got CPS.
Yeah,
Okay.
sorry.
When do you think the medical will be here?
I can ask my investigator when he gets here, Judge, see if we can pester them a little bit, but I don't have an accurate estimate for you right now.
All right. Do you think they'll be here in about a month's time?
I pray to the good Lord, Judge.
Okay. Norma, can you recall Danielle Laura for 1 month, please?
August 9th.
I'm sorry, what?
August 9th.
All right.
Oh, wait, I'm
That's
sorry.
more than a month.
I liked it.
July. Sorry, looking at the wrong calendar.
I'm like, what?
We can do July 7th.
All right, we're going to come back on July 7th for an
Thank you,
update
Judge.
on the medical records.
And Miss Laura, I'll call you. Are we both excused, Your Honor?
Yes.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a great weekend. I'll see you next week.
All right, thank you. You too. Have a good one. Hunter.
Yes, Judge, I'm here.
Hi, are you able to go to breakout room number 5 for Roland Garcia on Juan de Hoyos?
Oh, yes, Judge.
All right, thank you. And then after this, we are going to take a break from Zoom and we're going to head downstairs for jury selection.
And who are we meeting downstairs, Judge? Which 4 dyers should we be taking?
Just give me one moment. John Young. John Young.
Go ahead.
Okay, can I sit down?
Yes, are you able to hear?
Oh, we all hear you.
Okay, because I received no response. Brenna, is my allergy ear acting up? I don't know, but I didn't hear anything.
But can you hear me now?
Yes, I can hear you now.
Sounds like a cell phone commercial.
Yeah. All right, John, you're ready on your client?
Yes.
Okay.
Which one?
Mr. Debnap.
Ready.
All right, and your client is Deputy Laura, is he dressed?
Yes, he is, Your Honor.
Okay, so just give me one moment. All right, John Young, we're going to start first with your case on Mr. Debnap. Everyone else is going to remain on call. So you need to be available if this case somehow falls through. So be sure to leave your information with the court coordinator and to all the defendants in the courtroom. You are not excused until I specifically excuse you. So what I'm going to want everyone to do is to check back in with the court at 2 p.m. Everyone who has not been called, so far the only person who's called for trial today is going to be Kevin Debnap. But if that case falls through, I want everyone to check back in with the court by 2. Leave contact information with the court coordinator if we need you before then. And please make sure that you're no less than 30 minutes away.
Your Honor, if I
Yes.
may, since our last appearance, Your Honor, I have a federal setting at 2:30 in front of Magistrate Bombro.
Okay, you can go to that setting, Ed. We'll see where we are.
Just wanted to let you know at the 2 o'clock.
All right, thank you, Ed.
Thank you, Judge.
I think we just need to check in. Is that I think that's the.
Judge, can I get a clarification?
Yes, what I would like everyone to do, please leave numbers for contact information. Be at least 30 minutes away in case we need you before 2 p.m. If you are not called before 2 p.m., you need to be in the court at 2 so we can give you your next trial setting date. So just make sure that you have contact information with your clients, that the court coordinator has contacts for you and your client so that we can reach you. If you are not contacted before 2 p.m., you need to be back in this courtroom at 2 p.m. so that we can give you your next setting date for jury trial.
Can that be done by Zoom, Judge?
Which part?
The 2 p.m. check-in and get a new date?
Yes, 2 p.m. can be done by Zoom.
Your Honor, does our client have to be present with us at 2 p.m.?
Yes. And John, of course, if you're in trial with us on Debnap, then I know that Ms. Cyphers will be somewhere near.
Okay, I didn't want to try and talk out of both sides of my mouth in the same time.
No problem. Thanks, John. And I hope your magnolia tree received rain last night.
Well, if you had come into the courtroom, you would know the answer to that.
Oh my gosh, you brought me magnolias?
I did.
Oh my God. Okay, everyone, excuse me for a moment. I must get my magnolia flower.
Maybe that back room to confer with my client. The one on.
Well, good luck, John. You think this is gonna go?
So we're done with the Zoom, so I could shut down the Zoom, Judge.
Hold on.
She walked away. Norma.
No, I need 701 to talk to Rolando Garcia. David Martin, are you there? He's got a 701 ag assault.
Who's you talking about?
Rolando Garcia in 5. He's got a 105-4543 is a SID.
Hunter. Who's going to be on the Kevin case?
Ebnam is Tom and Marcus.
Marcus. Okay.
Marcus and Tom.
Oh, okay. I'm going to send you a chat, Marcus.
Can we go down?
David Martin, the magnolias are in bloom.
Look at that.
I'm trying to get my magnolia to bloom. We will see what I'm doing incorrectly.
Judge, can you make me a co-host so I can jump in the breakout room? Thank you.
All right, and then we're going to set up downstairs shortly, everyone. We're going to set up.
So Judge, so I understand correctly, Deb Nam is being called down to the central jury room. Everybody else is on call to check back in at 2. Is that right?
Yes. If Deb Knapp decides to enter a plea that's open to the court, then everyone needs to be at least 30 minutes away because so we can let them know that this case has pled and that they're next up.
Cool.
Judges.
All right. Yes.
John Fox, I just got back. I think Tom and I are heading towards a pretrial diversion offer on this. He just has a couple of phone calls to make on Mr. Asmus's case.
Okay.
So can I talk you into, I guess, a short, I have this condo property in Florida that I think you'd be really interested in. No,
You're so funny.
Can I talk you into a short reset?
Can I just tell you, I know the drive to Florida now because Cornelius Cox says it takes him over 13 hours.
From here?
Yes. He said going through the panhandle or something, there's some, like that's a long drive.
Well, you got to be careful going through Georgia too and Louisiana because they're, they love to pull over people from Texas.
Excuse me, Louisiana. That's my home state.
All right, I'll give you a pass.
All right, so I'll recall you then in 2 weeks. Is that enough time for the pretrial diversion update?
Yes, it is. And if you don't mind, if you can throw me in a room with Mr. Asmus so I can kind of give him an update on what's going on, we'll just sign out from there if that's okay.
I would love to do that, but I'm about to shut down so that we can go downstairs because we have a jury waiting.
I'll just call him. We'll just sign out from here, Judge. I'll give him a call on the phone.
All right, so we're going to call you back on, Norma, can we call them back June 18th?
Yes, sir.
All right, we're going to call you back on June 18th for pretrial diversion update.
That's a Friday. That's perfect, Judge. Yes, that is perfect. Thank you.
All right, thank you.
All right. Go ahead, Anthony, go ahead and sign off. I'll give you a call in a minute.
All right, let me see who is left in the breakout room. David Martin. Brenda, you can go ahead and pack up.
Okay, Judge.
Because I know you have more stuff.
Judge, for the plea, are we just gonna come back on later, sign on sometime today
Is there a plea that's being worked out?
with Jesse Rivera, the one that he already pled to, set today, but he
Yes.
already accepted the plea? Okay,
Yes, we'll come back on at 2 to do that.
okay, I'll do the paperwork this morning.
All right, thank you. Joe Ray, are you still there?
Yes, I'm here.
Can I see you in breakout room number 1, please?
Yes.
All right, thank you.
Judge, I'm sorry, are you still there?
Yes, I'm here.
Was Jahagan Alexander reset?
Yes, the attorney has some medical issues, and I'm aware of those, and I'll let the state know in a breakout room.
Okay, thanks. Because I was just gonna cancel the witnesses.
Yes, if you could do that, thank you.
Okay.
Mr. Cox, we're taking another case up
Yes, ma'am.
for jury trial. So you need to be on standby, and we'll let you know if we do not call you by 11:30, then you need to appear on Zoom, the same link at 2, and we'll give you your reset date for trial.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you,
All right,
Judge.
thank you. Bye-bye.
There's a bug on your.
You're so funny.
All right, thanks, Judge.
All right, thank you. All right, everyone, we're going to stop live stream. We'll pick up live stream at 10:15 or 10:30 at the latest. We're going to head downstairs to begin jury selection.